You know that feeling, when your mouse feels like it's dragging through digital mud. When opening a folder takes a beat too long, and your once snappy PC groans under daily tasks. That slow, creeping frustration is a sign that your system is bogged down. You don't need a new computer, you just need to take back control. I'm going to show you 5 powerful adjustments inside the Windows Registry. This isn't about sketchy speed booster software. We're making surgical changes to the core of your operating system to get it running faster and more reliably. We're going straight to the source. But first, a super important warning. The Windows Registry is your PC's central nervous system. Messing it up can cause serious, even irreversible, damage. Before you do anything else, you have to create a safety net. Go to your Start menu, type Create or Restore Point, and click it. In the new window, hit the Create button and give it a name you'll remember, like before registry tweaks. This makes a snapshot of your system right now, so you can go back if something goes wrong. Do not skip this. Alright, safety net's in place. Let's get started. Tweak 1. Disable excess telemetry. First up, we're tackling the constant background chatter called telemetry. By default, Windows collects a whole lot of diagnostic and usage data and phones it home to Microsoft. While the intent is to improve Windows, these processes are eating up a bit of your CPU, memory, and bandwidth, making your system feel sluggish. By turning this down, we gain a little performance, reclaim some privacy, and quiet down that background noise. Here's how to do it. First, open the registry editor. Press the Windows key +R, type regedit, and hit enter. You'll probably get a prompt asking for permission to make changes. Just click yes. Inside the registry editor, you'll see a long address bar at the top. The fastest way to get around is to copy and paste the path. For this first step, paste this into the address bar. Hit enter. Now, in the big white space on the right-click and choose New. Then the word 32-bit value. You have to name this new entry exactly. Allow telemetry. Once it's named, double-click it. In the little box that appears, make sure value data is 0 and the base is hexadecimal. Click OK. This one setting tells Windows to back off on sending optional diagnostic data. But we're not quite done. There's a second spot to tweak to make sure this setting sticks. Copy and paste this next path. Just like before, create a new word 32-bit value, name it Allow Telemetry, and check that its value is 0. Now, a quick reality check for 2026. On the latest versions of Windows 11, Microsoft really wants its data. So, while this tweak is a good step, it may not completely shut down all telemetry, and sometimes a Windows update can reset or override it. Still, it's worth doing to reduce the chatter. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. This part is crucial. When your PC is back up, you should notice a subtle drop in background activity. Tweak 2. Improve system responsiveness. Next, let's talk about your CPU and how it decides what to focus on. By default, Windows reserves around 20% of its processing power for background tasks like updates and indexing. This can leave the app you're actually using, that is your browser, your game, starved for resources. We can shift that balance, giving priority to your foreground apps to make your system feel way snappier. Open up the registry editor again. This time, paste this path into the address bar. On the right side, find a value called System Responsiveness. If it's not there, you can create it as a word 32-bit value. Double-click it. A window will pop up. The default is usually 20 or 14 in hex. We're going to change that. This is important. Switch the base from hexadecimal to decimal. Now, change the value data to 10. This tells Windows to only reserve 10% of CPU time for background stuff, freeing up more power for what you're doing right now. This can make your apps launch faster and reduce stuttering, especially on older machines. Click OK, close the editor, and give your computer a restart. You should feel a real difference in how fast programs respond. Tweak 3. Reduce startup delay. Whenever you boot up your computer, Windows deliberately waits about 10 seconds before it starts launching your startup apps. This is supposed to let the core OS load first, but on modern systems, especially with an SSD, it's just an unnecessary delay. We can get rid of it. Get back into the registry editor. This time, we're heading to a part of the registry that's tied to your user profile. Navigate here. Now, we need to make a new key, which is just a new folder. Right-click the Explorer key on the left, choose New, and then click Key. Name this new key Serialize. Click on your new Serialize key. The right-hand pane will be empty. Right-click in the empty space, go to New, and create a Word 32-bit value. Name this one Startup Delay in milliseconds. Double-click Startup Delay in milliseconds and make sure its value data is set to 0. Click OK. On some newer Windows 11 systems, there's one more step for this to work right. In that same Serialize key, create another Word 32-bit value and name it Wait for Idle State. Double-click it and set its value to 0 as well. This tells Windows not to wait for everything to be perfectly idle before launching your apps. Close the editor and restart. You should see your startup programs pop up almost immediately after you log in.
Tweak 4. Disable visual effects.
Windows is full of slick animations, windows fading in, menus sliding open, transparent backgrounds. They look nice, but they're eating up your GPU and CPU resources, which can make things feel slow, especially on PCs without a beefy graphics card. For max speed, we can turn these off. Open the registry editor one last time. Navigate to this location. If the visual effects key isn't there, you can create it under the Explorer key. Inside Visual Effects, look for Visual FX setting. If you don't see it, create it as a new Word 32-bit value. Double-click Visual FX setting and change its value data to 2. Click OK. Setting this to 2 is the same as choosing the Just for Best Performance option in the system settings. After a restart, you'll see the change instantly. Windows will feel more direct and snappy, with menus and windows appearing right away. Tweak 5. Optimize the system cache. Our final tweak is about how Windows manages your RAM. There's a feature sometimes called large system cache which is designed for file servers, allowing the system to keep a lot of file data in memory. For a desktop user, this can backfire by holding onto memory that your active programs could use, leading to sluggishness when you're multitasking. This tweak ensures Windows prioritizes your active programs over that massive file cache. Open the registry editor for the last time. Paste this final path into the address bar. Look for a Word value named Large System Cache on the right. On most desktop PCs, this value won't exist by default, and that's okay. We're going to create it to explicitly enforce the correct setting. Right-click in the empty space, select New, and create a Word 32-bit value. Name it Large System Cache. Double-click it and make sure its value data is set to 0. This setting confirms that Windows should use the standard memory model for workstations, which favors your running applications instead of a huge file cache. Click OK, close the editor, and do one final restart. This can help free up RAM and lead to a smoother experience when you have a bunch of apps open at once. And that's it, 5 deep-level tweaks to the Windows registry that can breathe new life into a sluggish PC. You've cut down background noise, prioritized your apps, sped up your boot time, ditched the flashy effects, and optimized your memory. Here's a final pro tip: always pair these edits with good computer hygiene. Run disk cleanup regularly, manage your startup programs in Task Manager, and seriously consider an SSD if you're still on a spinning hard drive. It's the single biggest performance upgrade you can make. If any of these tweaks cause problems, don't panic. Just use that system restore point you made at the beginning. Search for Create a Restore Point again, click System Restore, and follow the steps to go back. If this guide helped you out, give this video a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials that put you in control. Let me know in the comments which tweak made the biggest difference for you. Stay optimized.